Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're diving into the future of automotive excellence with an exclusive look at the 2026 Ferrari F80. A machine that's not just built for speed, but designed to reshape the very definition of what a hypercar can be. Buckle up, because this review will take you through every curve, every detail, every roar of this extraordinary Italian creation. From the moment you lay eyes on the Ferrari F80, it becomes immediately clear that this isn't just a car. It's a moving sculpture. The front end commands attention with an aggressive, chiseled fascia. The headlights are now sleeker, almost blade-like, using laser-led technology that gives off a futuristic, razor-sharp appearance. The signature Ferrari grille has been reimagined, still boasting that prancing horse emblem, but now more integrated into the sculpted front splitter, which aids in both downforce and airflow management. The air vents are wider, more purposeful, and look like they belong more on a fighter jet than a road car. Moving along the side, the silhouette is lower and more aerodynamic than any of its predecessors. The body lines flow like liquid metal, tapering from the aggressive front into deep side intakes that feed the rear-mounted powertrain. The butterfly doors, reminiscent of hypercars like the LaFerrari, open upward with elegance and menace. The F80 sits low, wide, and planted riding on ultra-lightweight carbon fiber wheels that hide ceramic performance brakes capable of stopping this beast from insane speeds. You'll also notice the active side skirts that adjust based on speed and handling inputs, adding a new layer of dynamic aerodynamics to this next-gen Ferrari. At the rear, Ferrari has truly pushed the boundaries. The taillights are now reduced to ultra-slim, horizontal LED slashes that give the F80 a sinister cyberpunk aura at night. The quad exhausts have been replaced by dual vertical units mounted high on the rear fascia, surrounded by an intricate carbon fiber diffuser system. And just above it all, the active rear wing rises and tilts based on throttle input, delivering real-time aerodynamic performance, a testament to Ferrari's race-bred engineering. The entire rear end screams performance and precision, yet still holds on to that distinct Ferrari DNA. Step inside, and you're met with a cockpit that feels more spaceship than sports car. Ferrari has focused on weight savings and driver engagement without sacrificing innovation. The interior is minimalist but luxurious, dominated by Alcantara, carbon fiber, and soft-touch leather. There's no traditional dashboard. Instead, a curved old display stretches across the driver's field of view, providing telemetry, navigation, and performance data in real time. The steering wheel has integrated controls for everything: driving modes, indicators, and even infotainment. And it feels like gripping a piece of precision equipment. The seats are thin yet supportive, bolstered in all the right places and built into the carbon tub of the car. And yes, despite its hardcore nature, the F80 does include adaptive climate control, wireless Apple CarPlay, and an impressive 14-speaker Burmeister system, because speed doesn't have to mean silence, performance-wise. The Ferrari F80 is a monster that blends hybrid technology with raw combustion power. Underneath that sculpted rear sits a 3.9-liter twin-turbo V8 paired with 3 electric motors, 2 at the front and 1 sandwiched between the engine and gearbox. The combined output, a staggering 1,200 horsepower. That translates to a 0 to 60 miles per hour time in just 2.1 seconds. And a top speed that touches 250 miles per hour. The 8-speed dual-clutch transmission is lightning fast, while torque vectoring and Ferrari's dynamic vehicle control systems ensure that all this power is not just usable, but exhilarating. The F80 also features a new mode called Hypertrack, which uses AI-assisted traction control for optimal grip on performance circuits. Of course, all of this cutting-edge engineering and design comes at a cost. The base price of the 2026 Ferrari F80 starts at around $785,000 USD, but with optional packages including bespoke interior finishes, By advanced telemetry integration and carbon fiber upgrades, that number can easily cross the $1 million mark. Only a limited run of 599 units will be produced globally, making this not just a car, but an investment in rarity and prestige. If you're considering the F80, it's not just about owning another Ferrari, it's about being part of the next chapter in the company's legacy. But this car isn't for everyone. Daily driving, not exactly ideal. Cargo space, practically non-existent. And unless you live near a racetrack or a stretch of unrestricted highway, you'll rarely tap into its full potential. However, if what you seek is the bleeding edge of automotive design, technology, and thrill, the F80 delivers on every front. So what's the verdict? The 2026 Ferrari F80 isn't just fast, it's forward-thinking. It's not just aggressive, it's intelligent. It's a bridge between Ferrari's glorious past and its electrified future. This is a car that demands attention, rewards skill, and redefines the hypercar experience. If you're lucky enough to get your hands on one, you're not just buying a vehicle, you're commissioning a masterpiece. Thanks for riding with us today. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth reviews, and let us know in the comments, is the F80 the ultimate Ferrari, or would you stick with the classics? Until next time, stay passionate, drive safe, and keep chasing that perfect line.